In module 128, we will discuss professional standards for the teachers in Nigeria. Nigeria, like other countries, also focuses on the very basic skills as well as advanced skills for the teachers, not skills, but the standards and benchmarks are there given by the government to be followed by the teachers. They also, like other systems, they also focus on the knowledge and the dispositions and the behavior of the and performance of the teachers. And professional standards of the Nigeria also focused on the knowledge, skills, values, attitudes, conduct, rights, privileges, and the obligations which are otherwise expected from any kind of the any professionals. And in these are the basic requirements of any profession, and same are for the teachers. Uh, these are the professional standards for the Nigerian teachers are based on the national minimum academic benchmarks for various teacher education programs, national and international legal frameworks, and educational policies. These become the basis of the professional standards for the Nigerian teachers. The legal requirements for the recognition. The teacher are supposed to uh, pass the qualifying examinations of the government that is established by the council, and the council is established under the act, or in case the person is not Nigerian, and then one has to have the qualification granted outside Nigeria, which is which should be recognized by the council and by the law of the country, by Nigerian law, for the equivalence purposes. And the third condition to become the teacher there is to be good character, have age, at least age of the 21 years, and not being convicted in Nigeria and elsewhere of any fraud or any dishonesty. Other requirement is graduation qualification, payment. The teacher has to pay the fees for the recognition as a teacher, because the Nigerian system assesses the teachers, accreditation body assesses the teachers, then the teacher has to pay the fees for that one. Professional qualifying examinations are there, the teacher has to pass those examinations, and internship programs to be completed, and then CPD, continuous professional development, and any other requirement that is given by the government and its relevant bodies. And what is the scope? What is the boundaries of the professional standards? The boundaries is professional knowledge, professional skills, professional values, attitudes, and conduct, and the professional membership obligations. For example, as a primary teacher, he has to be the member of any professional body of that union, council, of that state, of that district, etc. And what is the professional standards? There are four themes of the basically four themes of professional standards. They are further divided into 36 sub themes, and these sub themes are divided into 84 standards. And these standards are basically performance benchmarks. The teacher is supposed to do this one, teacher will do this one, teacher is do this one, teacher has to follow the rules, teacher has to have command of the knowledge, etc. And when talk about the professional knowledge, the teacher should have a content knowledge, should have the pedagogical knowledge, and should also have the knowledge of the national curriculum, and he should know the requirement of the national curriculum, and the literacy and the numeracy, and for ICTs, and the student's socio-economic background should be known by the teacher, and students' physio psychological background should be known by the teacher. And second is the standard for the professional skills, that is planning learning program. The teacher should know how to plan the learning program, how to engage the students, resourcefulness, a selection of the different instructional activities and instructional resources, teaching and communication skills he should have. He should have evaluation of the learner performance, how to evaluate performance, how to report about the students, providing the feedback to students, parents, guardians, and other stakeholders about the learning of the students, about his assessment done by him or her. And record the student performance. He should know how to record the performance. He should know the program monitoring and evaluation. And the teacher should know, should have health, safety, and human rights knowledge, and should know the learning environment, how to create the learning environment, how to control the learning environment. He should know how to work in the team and collaboration. And the third professional standards, value, attitude, and the conduct. Teacher should know the relationship with the learners, relationship with the colleagues, administration and academic leadership, and the relationship with the society, and the relationship with the parents and the guardians, and the relationship with the employers, and the relationship and the general relationship with the teacher. Teacher's criticism is also there, should be constructive based on the high sense of the responsibility. Teacher should be open-minded. And the guidelines on induction at the point of the graduations. Teacher has to give an oath. Teacher has to have a, as a to give the oath that he will perform their duties with dedication, sincerity, with the students, with the parents, for the society. And he has to follow, the teacher has to follow the guidelines given by the professional for the continuous professional development. And there are instruments for the assessment of the professional standards or the professional standing. The teacher has to undergo those professional assessment instruments, different assessment assessment, for example, interviews, for example, self-appraisal, for example, classroom observations, etc. And there are the categories of Nigerian teachers. Number one, category A is the doctoral teachers, having a PhD in education or in other subject, but they must have a teachers training. And the category B, the master's degree plus the teaching qualifications. And the third one is a bachelor degree plus the teaching qualification. For example, BS with the B.Ed in or the diploma in education. For example, PhD with the degree in education. For example, MA with the degree in education. And then the third is the Nigeria certificate in education. That is basic requirement, category 4 for the teachers. We can say that the Nigerian education system is very strong in terms of the qualification, but is equally emphasis on the experience of the teachers.